Oh, okay.
No, right.
Yeah.
Prefer you very slow.
So just when things are seeming pretty bizarre already, and generally things are quite bizarre around here, we go to the Iraqi Kurdistan roller coaster. This one I've been looking forward to, I've got to admit. I'm super excited about doing this. It's crazy, but it looks like so much fun. So here we go, look at these little carts. So, I'm going to do a whole video of this, folks, so, well, you'll see it if I make it through this in one piece. So this is it, it's actually partially under my control, so I can pull these levers to put it in fast or to slow down. So, well, I hope to go pretty fast, of course. Oh, okay.
No, right.
Yeah.
Prefer you very slow.
Right.
Push faster, pull back.
Yeah.
Free space. Push.
Yeah, here we go. Whee! Oh, look at that view.
Let's go, mister.
Okay.
Yeah, finish time.
Okay.